Welcome everyone. Today we are taking a closer look at the IDEALHOUSE 24,000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heat pump, a powerful and energy-efficient solution for both cooling and heating large spaces. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this mini split AC at the best price in the market. This unit is designed for rooms up to 1,500 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, open-plan areas, or small shops, and it delivers rapid, even temperature control thanks to its 24,000 BTU capacity. One of the standout features is the ultra-efficient 21 SEER 2 rating paired with an advanced inverter compressor, which intelligently adjusts power to reduce energy consumption by up to 40% without compromising comfort. Another great feature is the smart Wi-Fi and Alexa voice control, allowing you to adjust settings from anywhere using your smartphone or simple voice commands. The AC also offers 4 versatile modes: cool, heat, dry, and fan, along with a 24-hour timer and customizable sleep settings to match your lifestyle. Noise levels are impressively low at just 28 decibels due to double-layer sound insulation and low vibration design, so it won't disturb sleep, work, or relaxation. While the unit comes with a complete installation kit including indoor and outdoor units, pre-charged copper line sets, and all necessary mounting hardware, professional installation is recommended to ensure safety, warranty compliance, and peak performance. One minor consideration is the initial setup can take some time, especially if you are handling it yourself, but the included components make it straightforward for HVAC professionals. Overall, this mini split is perfect for anyone looking to combine high performance, energy savings, and smart convenience in one unit. And with the advanced inverter, quiet operation, and Wi-Fi/Alexa control, it stands out from conventional systems. Make sure to check the link in the description below to secure your IDEALHOUSE 24,000 BTU mini split and enjoy comfortable, efficient climate control all year round.